Hello students, good morning. How are you? In this video, I am going to explain about the percentage composition of different elements in a compound. We will see the determination of empirical formula and we will solve some of the numericals based on empirical formula. Let us start with the percentage composition. What is percentage composition? It is the percentage by weight of each element present in the compound. That means percentage by weight of each element in the compound. How can we find the percentage composition? Here is the formula. Percentage of an element in a compound is equal to total weight of the elements in one molecule divided by gram molecular weight of the compound, and the whole is multiplied by 100. Once again, total weight of the element in one molecule and gram molecular weight of the compound multiplied by 100, and by using this formula we can get the percentage composition or percentage of an element. It will be clear by this question. The first question is urea is very important nitrogenous fertilizer and its formula is CON2H4. It is also written as CONH2 whole 2. We have to calculate the percentage of nitrogen in urea. What will we do? First we will find the gram molecular mass of urea, CON2H4. Here is one atom of carbon, its mass is 12. One atom of oxygen, its mass is 16. Two atoms of nitrogen, so it is 2 into 14, and 4 atoms of hydrogen, so it is 4 into 1. After calculation it comes 60 gram. Similarly, here 2 atoms of nitrogen, that means one molecule of nitrogen, so gram molecular mass of nitrogen here is 28 gram. And what we have to find? We have to find the percentage of nitrogen in urea. So percentage of nitrogen in urea is 28 by 60 into 100 as per the formula. After calculation it comes 46.67%. This is the percentage of nitrogen in urea. Let us see the second question. Here, calculate the percentage composition of potassium chlorate. Here we have to find the percentage composition. Where there is a question of percentage composition, then we will find the percentage of each element separately. First we will find the gram molecular mass of potassium chlorate. Here is one atom of potassium, so its mass is 39. One atom of chlorine, its mass is 35.5, and 3 atoms of oxygen, so it is 3 into 16, which comes 122.5 gram. Now let us find the percentage of potassium. One potassium atom, so its mass is 39. Total is 122.5 multiplied by 100, we get 31.83%. This is the percentage of potassium in potassium chlorate. Now let us find the percentage of chlorine. One atom of chlorine is present, so its mass is 35.5 and total mass is 122.5 multiplied by 100, we get 28.98%. This is the percentage of chlorine in potassium chlorate. Similarly, percentage of oxygen is 39.18%. So students, we can find the percentage composition of any compound, then we will find the percentage of each element separately. Let us move to the next topic. Empirical formula. The empirical formula of a compound is the simplest whole number ratio of the atoms present in it. That means the simplest whole number ratio of the atoms that is present in a compound. It will be clear by this example. Molecular formula of hydrogen peroxide is H2O2. When we find the simplest whole number ratio of the elements, the elements are hydrogen and oxygen, it will be HO, H1 and O1. So empirical formula is HO for H2O2. Similarly, in case of glucose C6H12O6, the simplest ratio of the elements in C6H12O6 is CH2O. That means we divide the O all by 6 because the HCF of 6, 12 and 6 is 6. We get CH2O. So empirical formula of C6H12O6, that is glucose, is CH2O. What is empirical formula mass? It is the sum of the atomic masses of various elements present in the empirical formula of the compound. For example, empirical formula of hydrogen peroxide is HO. So its empirical formula mass will be 1 atom of hydrogen. So 1 atom of oxygen. So it is 16. The total is 70. Now how can we determine the empirical formula in a question? The questions may be of two types. One, when percentage of different elements will be given, and other when mass in gram of different elements will be given. It will be clear by these examples. Let us see the first question. Find the empirical formula of a compound containing 17.64% hydrogen and 82.35% of nitrogen. We will make the table. The first one element, second percentage of element, third atomic mass, next atomic ratio, and the last simplest ratio. Here are two elements, hydrogen and nitrogen. Percentage of hydrogen is 17.64. Atomic mass of hydrogen is 1. So we will find the atomic ratio. Atomic ratio will be found by dividing percentage of element by their atomic mass. So after calculation we get 17.64. Similarly for nitrogen, the atomic ratio is 5.89, and here we will take the smaller one, 17.64 and 5.89. 5.89 is the smaller, so we will divide the first one by 5.89 for the simplest ratio, and here it comes 2.99, that is 3 after rounding, and for this it is 1. So it is clear there are 3 atoms of hydrogen and 1 atom of nitrogen. So we can write the empirical formula of the compound is NH3, that is ammonia. Let us see the next question. 10.47 gram of a compound contain 6.25 gram of metal A and rest non-metal B. We have to calculate the empirical formula of the compound. Here it is given atomic weight of A is 207 and B is 35.5. Mass of metal A is given and total is given, but mass of non-metal B is not given. So first we will find the mass of element B by subtracting 10.47 minus 6.25, it is 4.22 gram. Again we will make the table, element, mass in gram, atomic mass, number of gram atoms, and simplest ratio. Here are two elements A and B. Mass is 6.25 for A, atomic mass is 207. For B, mass is 4.22 and atomic mass is 35.5. So first we will find the number of gram atoms. For A, it will be found by dividing mass in grams by atomic mass. 6.25 divided by 207, we will get 0.03. Similarly for V, we will find it 0.12. Here 0.03 is smaller than 0.012. So we will take the 0.03 as reference and divide the both. 0.03 divided by 0.03, we will get 1, and for B we will get 4. So there is 1 atom of element A and 4 atoms of element B. Hence the empirical formula of the compound is AB4. And here mass was given in gram. You can convert it into percentage and you can proceed the same process. If you find this video helpful, then likes, share and subscribe. Thank you. Have a nice day. Have a nice study.